All right, boys and girls, welcome to Goran Guitar. We have Calema here, and they've been with us before on this channel. I believe this is a duo. Two guys are singing, and I really like their voices. Anyway, they had songs like Amar Pela Metade and Perfume here on Goran Guitar. This time we have Alice or Alice. I think that is how they pronounce the Alice name. Anyway, let's go into Alice's song here, and we have 4 chords to handle this with. No need for any capo because we're going to use bar chords mainly. So let's start with the chords, and we're going to use first the G sharp minor. You place the index finger on the 4th fret, and you cover all strings there, and then you need to add 6th fret on A string and 6th fret on D. That's the G sharp minor. Next is the F sharp, and you have the same thing here with the index finger. Now on the 2nd fret, you push down all strings there, and then you need to add 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. That's the F sharp. And then we have the E. All right, that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is the C sharp minor. All right, it's another bar chord, again on 4th fret. This time you don't have to push down the last E string in the bass, but the 5 strings below are necessary. And then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. All right, so all these 4 chords, we're going to handle them with an easy strumming pattern. So if you go back to the G sharp minor chord, grab that one, and one string around will be down, down, up, down. This. Okay, so down, down, up, down. All right, so there you have a couple rounds of the strumming. If you speed up the tempo a little bit, it will be like this. And we are somewhere about the standard tempo there. And let's go into the chord progressions. We have basically 2 different. Okay, so the first one is the verse play, and you also have the bridge part that starts about 2 minutes and 37 seconds into the song. That part, you're gonna play G sharp minor, 1 string around, F sharp 1, and E 2. That's it. So G sharp 1, F, and E, G, F, and E 2. All right, so that is how you play the verse play and the bridge part. And I played 4 rounds for you. Now let's go into the chorus, and we're gonna think 4 rounds here as well. And round number 1, number 2, and number 4 will be played in the exact same way as the verse play. But we have the 3rd round there, and that one is played G sharp minor 1, F sharp 1, and then the C sharp 2. All right, so if you consider the chorus as being 4 rounds, you play the 1st, the 2nd, and 4th round. Again, play that in the same way as the verse play, but you stick in the 3rd round there with the G sharp, F, and then C sharp minor. 2 rounds. So all these 4 rounds, 1 round, so to speak, and the chorus sounds like this. Again, G sharp, F sharp, E. 3rd round now, G sharp, F sharp, and C sharp. And back to G, F, and E. Again. All right, guys, so that is how I handle different parts of the song from Calema called Alisi. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Going Guitar. I really appreciate all your support. So thank you so much, guys. Until next time, play tuned.